Hi everyone. In this video we learn capital and small letters or upper and lower case letters with clay. This is air dry clay. These are clay packets. Using this clay we make upper and lower case letters. Let's go to the video. Capital A. First one A. This is uppercase letter. And this is lowercase letter A. A for apple. B. This is uppercase letter B. And this is lowercase letter B. B. B for ball. B. Next letter C. This is capital letter or uppercase letter C. Small letter or lowercase letter C. C for carrot. D. This is capital letter D. And this is small letter D. D is for doll. E. This is uppercase letter E. And this is lowercase letter E. E is for elephant. E after F. This is capital letter F and this is small letter F. F. This is small letter or lowercase letter F. F is for frog. F after G. Uppercase letter G. And this is lowercase letter G. G is for grapes. G after H. Uppercase letter H. And this is lowercase letter H. H is for hen. Next letter I. This is uppercase letter I and this is lowercase letter I. I is for ice cream. And this is J. Letter J. This is uppercase letter J. And this is lowercase letter J. J is for jug. Next letter K. This is uppercase letter K and this is lowercase letter K. K. K is for kite. L. Capital letter L. And this is small letter L. L is for lion. M. This is capital M. This is small letter M. M is for mango. This letter N. This is capital N. This is small letter N. N is for nut. Next letter O. This is uppercase letter or capital letter O. And this is lowercase letter or small letter O. O is for orange. P. This is capital letter P. This is small letter P. P is for parrot. P after Q. This is capital letter Q. And this is small letter Q. Q is for quail. R. This is capital letter R. Small letter R. R is for rose. Next letter S. This is capital letter S. This is small s. S is for sunflower. Next letter T. This is capital T. This is small letter T. T is for turtle. U. Capital U and small u. U is for umbrella. U after V. Capital V and small v. This is capital letter V. And this is small v. for violin. W. Uppercase letter W. And this is lowercase letter W. W is for watermelon. X. X is for xylophone. Capital letter X, and this is small letter x. X is for xylophone. Y. This is capital letter Y. This is small letter Y. Y is for yellow. Z or Z. This is capital letter Z. And this is small letter Z. Z is for zebra. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel Fruity Things. Thank you.